Here's how we're going to change this front tire out. First thing we need to do is prop the mower up in the air. Now you can flip it up on its side, or you can do like I'm going to do, just put a block under the front wheel. With it up like that, take a 9/16 wrench, and we're going to remove this one nut right here. It's a lock nut, so it'll be a little tight. Just take that nut off just like that, and pull the wheel off. He said hopefully. Tight fit. You're going to need a little bit of help with the pry bar. And then you do just the opposite to put it right back on. Now I'm going to put a little touch of grease on that shaft. I'm going to take the wheel. Just slide it right back on that shaft. It goes all the way. Thread the nut back on. Tighten the nut back up. That's all there is to it.